Hello, Alec. How are you today?
Hello, Melody. I am fine, thank you. How are you?
I am great. Today, let us talk about our daily routines.
That is a good idea. Our listeners can learn many new words.
Yes, that is right. Do you want to start?
Sure, I can start. I wake up at 7 o'clock every morning. The sun is usually shining.
That is a good time to wake up. I wake up a little earlier. I wake up at 6:30.
What is the first thing you do in the morning?
I drink a big glass of water. It helps me feel awake. Then I do some stretching.
Stretching is very healthy. I should do that too. I make my bed first.
Making the bed is a good habit. It makes the room look tidy.
Yes, I agree. After I make my bed, I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Me too. Brushing teeth is very important for our health.
After that, I take a shower. I like to use warm water.
A morning shower is nice. It helps you feel clean and ready for the day.
After my shower, I go to the kitchen. It is time for breakfast.
What do you eat for breakfast, Alec?
I like to eat a simple breakfast. I usually have toast and an egg. I also drink a large glass of orange juice.
That sounds delicious and healthy. I like to eat oatmeal. I add fruit to my oatmeal.
Fruit is very good for you. What kind of fruit do you add?
I like to add bananas or berries. Sometimes I add nuts too. They make the oatmeal sweet and crunchy.
That sounds very good. I should try that sometime. Do you drink coffee or tea?
I drink tea in the morning. I like green tea with a little bit of honey.
I am a coffee drinker. I drink 1 cup of black coffee with my breakfast. It helps me feel awake.
Many people like coffee. Tea is very calming for me.
After breakfast, I get dressed for work. I work in an office, so I wear a shirt and pants.
I also get dressed after breakfast. I am a teacher, so I wear comfortable and professional clothes.
Do you have to wear a uniform for your job?
No, I do not. I can choose my clothes. I like to wear a nice dress or a skirt and blouse.
That is nice. After I am dressed, I pack my bag for work. I make sure I have my laptop and a notebook.
I pack my bag too. I always bring a water bottle, my lunch, and a snack.
A snack is a smart idea. I always forget to pack a snack. Then I get hungry in the afternoon.
You should try to remember. An apple or some nuts are a good snack.
At about 8:15, I am ready to leave. I say goodbye to my wife and my dog.
That is sweet. How do you go to work?
I drive my car to work. The drive is about 30 minutes long. I listen to the news on the radio.
I do not have a car. I take the bus to work. The bus stop is very close to my house.
Is the bus ride long? Is it crowded?
It takes about 45 minutes. In the morning, it is a little crowded, but I always find a seat.
What do you do on the bus?
I like to read a book on the bus. Right now, I am reading a very interesting story.
Reading on the bus is a good use of time. Listening to the news helps me know what is happening in the world.
I arrive at my school around 8:45. I start work at 9 o'clock.
I also start work at 9. I turn on my computer and check my emails first.
What do you do at your job?
I am a software developer. I write computer programs with a team of people.
That sounds very interesting and challenging. I teach English to young students.
Teaching is a very important job. Do you enjoy it?
Yes, I love my job. The students are fun, and they learn very quickly.
My job is fun too. I like solving problems. We have meetings to talk about our work.
We have a lunch break at 12 o'clock. I eat with the other teachers.
My lunch break is at 12:30. Sometimes I eat at my desk. Sometimes I go to the kitchen.
Do you bring your lunch from home? Or do you buy it?
I usually bring my lunch from home. It is cheaper. My wife often packs a sandwich and some soup for me.
That is so nice. I also bring my lunch. I like to eat a big salad with chicken. It gives me energy.
A salad is a very healthy choice. I should eat more salads.
After I eat, I sometimes go for a short walk outside. The fresh air is good.
That is a wonderful idea.
I usually just read news on my phone during my break.
A walk sounds much better.
My classes finish at 3 o'clock. After that, I prepare my lessons for the next day. I leave school around 4:30.
My workday is longer. I finish at 5 o'clock. In the afternoon, I usually have more meetings.
Do you feel tired after work?
Yes, sometimes I feel very tired. Looking at a computer screen all day can make my eyes tired.
I understand. Teaching children requires a lot of energy. I am often tired when I get home.
What is the first thing you do when you get home?
I change into comfortable clothes. Then I sit on my sofa and relax for a few minutes. I drink a cup of tea.
That sounds perfect. I do something similar. I pet my dog and check the mail.
I usually start cooking dinner around 6 o'clock. I like cooking. It is creative.
What time do you eat dinner?
I eat dinner around 6:30. I live alone, so it is usually quiet.
I eat dinner with my wife around 7 o'clock. We like to cook together. It is a nice way to spend time.
I agree. What do you like to make for dinner?
We like to cook many different things. We often have chicken or fish with a lot of vegetables.
That is very healthy. I also eat a lot of vegetables. Last night, I made pasta with a tomato sauce.
I love pasta. After dinner, we wash the dishes together.
What do you do in the evening after dinner and cleaning?
We usually watch a television show or a movie.
We like to watch comedies.
Comedies are fun. I like to watch documentaries. I also call my family or friends in the evening.
Talking with family is important. I call my parents on the weekend.
Do you have any hobbies you do in the evening?
Yes, I do. I like to draw and paint. It is very relaxing for me. What about you?
I like to play the guitar.
I have been learning for 2 years. It is difficult, but I enjoy it.
That is a wonderful hobby. Music is beautiful.
And painting is a beautiful hobby, too.
You are very creative.
I start getting ready for bed around 10 o'clock. I think sleep is very important.
I agree completely. I try to get 8 hours of sleep every night.
What is your routine before bed?
First, I prepare my clothes for the next day.
This saves time in the morning.
Then I listen to quiet music.
That is a smart idea. I should do that too. I like to read a book before I sleep. It helps my mind calm down.
Reading is a great way to relax. After that, I brush my teeth and wash my face.
I do the same thing every night. A good routine helps you sleep better.
That is true. I try to be in bed by 10:30. I go to sleep around 11 o'clock.
That is a good schedule. Well, Alec, it was very nice talking about our routines with you.
It was nice talking with you too, Melody.
I learned a lot about your day.
Me too. Goodbye, Alec.
Goodbye, Melody.